Warm greetings, beautiful people. How are you, Africans? I hope you guys are good. I'm good, guys. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to the platform, the agenda. And we know this year, the Inkatha Freedom Party is celebrating its 50th anniversary, right? So this year, the Inkatha Freedom Party, the IFP, is turning 50 years. So I'll just be taking you through the IFP's history through my own lenses, but mainly relying on the book. There's a book written by Mzala Nxumalo, right, where I talk about Mangosuthu Buthelezi, the former leader of the IFP, as a the double agenda and opportunist, right? So I'll be talking about the IFP because I actually subscribe to the views that are found in that book by Mzala Nxumalo regarding the Inkatha Freedom Party. So I'll be taking you through that, right? So as you know, as I've already said, that the IFP this year is turning 50 years, and they held their rally to celebrate 50 years at the